Well, welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is the channel where we talk about crypto from time to time, but today we're going to talk about my top stocks on my channel. I want to thank you for stopping by, and please click the like and subscribe button and click the notification bell to get the frequent updates. Well, today the top stock was SoFi in my portfolio, Charles Schwab. It was up 3.74%. United States Steel was up 25% on the news that they would be acquired by a Japanese company. Share price surges over 25% for a gain of $83. It was as high as 38% this morning, but shares did surge over 25%. And NVIDIA shares were up 2.18%, and Amazon shares were up 2.56%. So those were the top stocks. Again, United States Steel was the hot stock, up over 26%. This morning when the news broke, United States Steel being acquired by Japanese companies, shares were as high as $50 per share on news that the company would be acquiring the shares at $55 per share. So United States Steel surges over 38%. That was the top stock of the day. And now we'll go over to the Robinhood. Okay, shares in the Robinhood portfolio were up slightly, 0.77%, so not up a percent. Amazon shares, like we talked about in the Charles Schwab, were up 2.47. Google shares were up 2.30. What else do we have here? Seeing other hot stocks of the day. Okay, looks like a lot was flat other than that. Oh, Costco shares, ticker symbol COST, was up over 2.81%. So those were the hot stocks in the Robinhood. Costco, Google or Alphabet, and Amazon up over 2% on the day. That was the hot stocks. But, you know, there is good news. There's a possibility that the Fed will start cutting rates early 2024. So that is being discussed and talked about on Wall Street, whether or not rates will get cut in 2024. Okay, now we'll go over to the Charles Schwab. And in the Charles Schwab, we were up 0.45% for a gain of $198. And the top stock of the day was SoFi, up $136. And my steel, United States Steel, was up 25% for a gain of $80. And NVIDIA up 2.16 for $42. And Amazon shares, as we talked about, up 2.69 for a gain of $39. Okay, so those were some hot stocks. Really quickly, let's look at three losers. Three losers was Tesla, down 0.99%, Ford Motor coming down 1%, and Apple down 0.87%. Those were some companies could have picked up, especially Apple, which has been hot over the last couple of days. Apple shares down slightly for a loss of $17, and Ford down $25. And lastly, the news on CNBC, really quickly. Okay, news: global supply chain under threat, militant attacks in the Red Sea, and hearings and subpoena on House GOP plans to defund elite universities. And lastly, news: Tesla to raise pay for hourly workers at Nevada Gigafactories workers in January, looking to stave off union interests. Okay, so if union starts to interact with Tesla, you know, that could force a lot of workers to come under union and cause the price of shares to go down. But again, Tesla decides to raise pay for hourly workers in Nevada. And that is a big move. It could be the UAW making moves to unionize Tesla workers in Nevada. So Tesla Gigafactory decided, says Tesla is planning a 10% or higher pay rate increase for some workers at its Nevada factory, according to internal materials read by CNBC. Okay, so it says could help Tesla stave off workers' appetite to form a union and push for a collective agreement in the USA. Okay, so that was the news. I want to thank everybody for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share the video. Okay, please like the video. And again, the top stock, SoFi Technologies, up 3.74, and United States Steel for a gain of 25% on the day. That was the hottest stock there is, again, being acquired by a Japanese company, United States Steel. It was thought that Cleveland-Cliffs was going to purchase United States Steel, a 100-year-old company. But again, it has been official. United States Steel up 25%. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next video. Good night.